Hi guys, Cryptonatics here. So in this video guys, we are going to talk about this Bitcoin Hyper 2. So kung naghahanap ka ng mga potential projects, so siguro itong si Bitcoin Hyper 2 is magkaroon ng malaking impact this 2025, no? So what if you could catch the next big Bitcoin wave early? This new Bitcoin based project is taking off and it's still in pre-sale, guys. So crypto whales are quietly moving into Bitcoin Hyper. So here's why, guys, pag-usapan natin. So the fastest Bitcoin layer 2 chains. So itong si Hyper, guys, bakit nga ba natin kailangan bumili ng tokens nitong si Bitcoin Hyper? Kasi nga, guys, no, ito yung the fastest layer in Bitcoin history. No, nakadepende naman sa inyo, guys, kung gusto nyo, no. So itong si Bitcoin Hyper finally unlocks the fast and cheap Bitcoin transactions. So naka-base siya sa bilis ng transactions natin, and then kagandaan dito, guys, is siya ay low fees. So it means cheap Bitcoin transaction siya, no. So payment, so send and receive money instantly and cheaply, no. Napakamura lang, guys. And then sa meme coins naman, guys, ito yung like Dogecoin but now built on Bitcoin using this faster layer, guys. Okay, dito sa meme coins. So sa D-apps, ito yung applications like games, marketplace, or DeFi that normally only run on Ethereum or Solana, now possible on Bitcoin, guys. Of course, guys, ito yung the Hyper ecosystem, yung wallet. Yan, kailangan natin muna siyempre magka-wallet dito, no? And then Explorer, Bridge, Staking, and Memes. Yan. So ito, bibili tayo ng kanilang tokens dito, no? Kailangan natin ng wallet. So ang gamit ko nga pala dito, guys, ay itong MetaMask wallet natin, no? Okay, so pwede din tayo gumamit dito ng Best Wallet, Wallet Connect, and Coinbase Wallet. Okay, yan. So it means, guys, kunwari bibili tayo ng kanilang tokens. So with Ethereum tayo dito, no? So 0.03. Yan. So ang may receive natin Hyper tokens ay 9,071, no? In value ng kanilang tokens dito per Hyper is 0.01 dollar, no, guys. Okay, so maliit pa lang. So it means, guys, possible na lumaki ito or magkaroon to ng malaking impact, no, pagdating ng mga ilang araw, guys, no, itong si Bitcoin Hyper. Pero nakadepende yun sa inyo, guys. Okay, so Bitcoin layer 2, so ito yung bridge, no, number 1. User deposits Bitcoin to a designated Bitcoin address monitored by Bitcoin Hyper Canonical Bridge. So the Bitcoin Relay Program, an SVM smart contract, verifies Bitcoin blocks, headers, and transactions proofs. So upon successful verifications, an equivalent amount of BTC is maintained on Bitcoin Hyper's layer 2 in a trustless manner, no? Yung L2 operations nila. So users can send and receive Bitcoin on Bitcoin Hyper's layer 2 with near instant finality. So supports complex DeFi operations like staking and decentralized exchanges. So leverage Solana's virtual machine. So ito yung SVM, no, na tinatawag natin. So for high throughput and scalability. Ito yung settlement and security. So Bitcoin Hyper batches and compresses layer 2 transactions, utility zero knowledge, proofs to ensure the transaction validity. The state of layer 2 is periodically committed to Bitcoin layer 1. So maintaining synchronizations and security. So ito yung withdrawal to L1. So users initiate a withdrawal request on Bitcoin Hyper's layer 2. The system verifies the layer 2 state and generates a proof for the canonical bridge. So upon validations, the corresponding Bitcoin is released back to the user's Bitcoin address on layer 1. Okay? So ito, change 2, no, tinatawag itong si Bitcoin Hyper 2, no. So alam naman natin, guys, dun sa layer 1 nitong si Bitcoin, ang issue kasi dun, guys, is malaki yung fees, no, at napakabagal nung transactions. So sa tulong nitong si Bitcoin Hyper 2, guys, dito sa layer 2 na, no, mas mapapabilis nito yung kada transactions natin daily, guys. Hindi lang transactions, guys, low fees pa siya. So it means napakamura lang nung ating babayaran sa fees. Yan. So features and Cointelegraph, CoinMarketCap, Bitcoin.com, Crypto News, Binance Square, Bitcoin, Bitcoins. Yan. So ito, so how to buy Bitcoin Hyper. So step 1, guys, kailangan natin ng siyempre yung crypto from your preferred exchange o ito yung mga ating mga wallet guys, no? Yan, like MetaMask wallet or yung ating mga best wallet. So step 2, now you're ready to participate in the Hyper Tokens crypto pre-sale. Click any buy or connect wallet buttons on the Bitcoin Hyper website to start. Of course, ayan, bibili lang tayo dito, no? Ito yung kanilang pre-sale ngayon sila guys, no? So, pwede to mag-price increase guys after nitong pre-sale. Okay? Yan, so buy and stake for 177% rewards guys. Napakalaki ng rewards. So, kailangan din natin dito or pwede din tayo dito mag-stake ng tokens, no? So, step 3, choose the amount of Hyper tokens you want to buy and confirm the transactions in your wallet to stake at the same time. Select the buy and stake option. So, mamaya guys, titingnan natin yung stake nila dito, no? So, paying by cards, connect your mobile crypto wallet or browser extensions wallet and choose buy with card. You'll need this wallet to receive your tokens. So, ito, dito sa step 4 guys, pwede tayo gumamit ng cards, no? Yan, dito sa pagbili. Kung wala tayong mga wallet, no? Pwede tayo bumili dito ng kanilang tokens through card, guys. So, ito in the news. Ito, why Hyper is the crypto towards in blockchain center. So, kasi nga guys, ito ay possible talaga magkaroon ng big impact, no? Kasi nga itong si Bitcoin Hyper, guys, aim niya itong layer 2 chains guys, which is para mas mapabilis yung ating mga transactions dito at magkaroon tayo ng mga low fees or yung abot kaya natin ng mga fees guys, o yung papamurahin nito yung mga fees kada transactions natin. So our friends, yan, okay, sinasabi nila, no? So built on Solana virtual machine, it brings lightning fast or low cost transactions to Bitcoin ecosystem. Perfect for payments, meme coins, and powerful DApps talaga siya, no? Yan yung sinasabi. So, what is Bitcoin Hyper? So, the first true Bitcoin Layer 2 network, no? Enables fast and low-cost BTC transaction and unlocks staking. So, decentralized finance, DeFi, and applications built on chains, the apps powered by high-throughput virtual machines, SVM, kung tawagin, no? So, what is Hyper? So, ito yung is the native token of the Bitcoin Hyper network used for transaction staking and governance. Yan yung Hyper tokens, guys, no? Why is Bitcoin is hyper important? So, siyempre, guys, low transaction speed and high fees siya, no? While maintaining Bitcoin grade security with BTC Hyper, users can send, receive, and interact with Bitcoin in real time with minimal cost and participate in the emerging Bitcoin-based DeFi economy. So, how do I buy BTC Hyper? So, yan guys, no? Hanggang step 4. So, which blockchains would I claim Hyper on? So, Sol buyers will claim Hyper tokens on Solana, while Ethereum, BNB, and credit card buyers will claim on Ethereum. So, which will be provided to move assets between Solana, Ethereum, and BTC Hyper. So, ito, mapapansin naman natin dito guys, no? Dito sa FAQ nila, yung, no? Ang Q&A guys, no? Yan. Ito yung tokenomics, guys. Yan. No, ito, dito dinivide itong token sila. Dito yung tokenomics sila, no? So, yung 25% is nasa treasury, guys. So, yung 20% nasa marketing, yung rewards 15%, and listing, guys, is 10%. So, development is 30%. So, itong kagandahan, guys, sa mga ganitong project, dapat mas malaki talaga yung development, no? Para mas ma-maintain nitong project na to guys, no, yung mismong tokens, no, yung economy nito. So, ito, kung gusto niyo basahin yung white paper nila guys, meron din sila dito. Yan. Ayan guys, okay? Yan. So, okay guys, pwede tayo sumali sa kanilang pre-sale ngayon guys. Malay natin, no, in the future guys. Yan. Mas lumaki yung value nitong si Hyper guys. So, staking tayo naman, no? Kapag tayo nag-buy and stake, yan. So, USDT, USDC card, Ethereum, yan. Pwede tayo bumili, no? Through Ethereum, USDT, USDC, or card. Yan. So, ito yung total stake sa ngayon. So, 295 million na, no? Napakalaki, guys. So, kapag withdraw stake natin yan, so, zero balance pa lang tayo dito, no? Kasi nagbibigay lang tayo ng informations dito, guys. Okay, yung estimated rewards guys, dito ako nag-ano, no, kasi 177%. Napakalaki guys. So yung current rewards is 199.7% per Ethereum block guys, no. And then, yan, mag-stake lang tayo dito ng tokens. So makakuha tayo dito ng hyper tokens rewards. Stake lang tayo dito, no. Pwede natin i-claim guys. Yung kagandahan dito guys, kahit hayaan natin yan, no, basta nakapag-stake tayo dito ng tokens, is makakuha tayo ng additional na hyper tokens rewards. Okay? Libre lang yan guys, no. Pwede natin paramihin dito yung hyper tokens natin sa pag-stake lang guys. Then total supply, yan. Papansin nyo dito guys. Yan yung total supply nila. So updates, yan. Dito yung updates guys. Basahin nyo na lang yan, no. Nakita natin dito yung mga updates nila. Okay? So kagandahan dito guys, pinopost or sinasama din nila sa kanilang website itong mga updates na gagawin nila dito, no. And then yung mga basta related dito sa Bitcoin Hyper. So why Solana VM, why not EVM? Yan, makikita natin diyan guys. Okay? So about, yan, no. Yan yung about, how to buy, din tokenomics, yung white paper, at okay. At higit sa lahat guys, to know more about them guys, pwede natin bisitahin yung kanilang Twitter, no? So Bitcoin Hyper finally unlocks fast and shape Bitcoin transactions. Yung Bitcoin Hyper, Twitter nila guys. So ito yung legit na Twitter nila. Meron silang 13,900 followers. Yan. So to know more about them, yan. Okay. So yun guys, sa ngayon napakamura na nito, no? Yung Hyper natin guys, yan, no? Yung value sa 0.01. Okay? So, possible tumaas talaga yan guys. Lalo na maganda yung plano nitong si Bitcoin Hyper 2. Okay? So, ilalagay ko nilang yung link sa description guys. Kayo nang bahala. I-click nyo na lang yon at bisitahin nyo to kung gusto nyo, no? So, hanggang dito na lang.